Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. The question is given: solve the following system of equation: 3x plus 4y equal to 26, square root of x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 5, plus square root of x square plus y square minus 20x minus 10y plus 125 equal to 10 now. So some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, before starting problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 videos are uploaded. Go through them. Thank you. So here I am taking second equation. How to solve this? Square root of x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 5 plus square root of x square plus y square minus 20x minus 10y plus 125 is equal to 10. Here you are going to do some adjustment here. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 20x plus 100 y square minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 10. So here square root of x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square plus square root of x minus 10 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 10 now. So here we are going to apply Minko, Minkowski's inequality. Minkowski's inequality. So here it shows that the given LHS is greater than or equal to square root of x x minus 2 plus 10 minus x whole square plus y plus 1 plus 5 minus y whole square is equal to 10. Hence x minus 2 into 5 minus y is equal to y plus 1 into 10 minus x. So here 5x minus 2y minus 10 minus xy is equal to 10y minus x plus 10 minus xy. So here you'll get 6x minus 12y is equal to 20. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. If you get the first equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 26. This is the first equation. If you solve this, 6x equal to 36 x equal to 6 and replace x in 2 18 minus 12y is equal to 20, sorry, 18 minus 4y, 18 minus 4y is equal to 20, 4y is equal to, sorry, 10 here, 4y is equal to minus 8, y is equal to 2. Therefore, the only solution x comma y is 6 comma 2. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.